my weapons. Just I blended because I know it's gonna be dangerous today. Now let's get right in. Okay, we're in. Hello, buddy. Hello. Yeah, he got the crucifix from the rift. Yeah, he definitely. Okay, come on, buddy. Let's go. No, I want to do it, but yeah. Oh my goodness, I've been attacked. Ooh, for a sec. I need a crash echo. Open up. Oh, don't mind my beautiful skin. I am Master Sheep. Open up! So we're just playing doors. Let's open that up. Ooh, a secret room. Let's go in. Hello. Oh, my key. Wait, open up. Hey! Move out of my way. I need to get my key. I killed it! Oh no, he's alive. Wait a minute. Hey, he's playing the mod. Oh yeah, I forgot. He put that in the rift. Is there a rift in mines? I don't know. Yeah, there's just like there's just doors. Why is this guy immortal? Oh no, pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so yep, we're playing doors. Let me just turn on my no clip real quick. Yes, and it is modded. Okay, yep, I'm back. Wonder where he is. Oh, he's just standing back there. Surprised Rush hasn't spawned yet. I'm like on door something. That's my Master Chief mod. You gone? Yeah, he's gone. Poop, poop. Oh no, I didn't remember what door it was. Ah! That wasn't the right door. Ooh. No clip mode. I need a med kit. Do I not have a med kit with me? Are you serious? I'm blind. Oh. I just need to drink my soda. Yes, that's way better. Yes, that is way better. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I keep... Oh, hello, Sally. Hello, Sally. Don't mind, just drinking my soda. Let me speed this up. Oh wow, guys, we made it to C. Wow. We're super good at this game. Wow, we're so good at doors. So good at doors. We're so good at it. We're so good at doors. Wow, we're so good at doors. Well, oh no! Oh my goodness, this is terrifying. Ah! Oh no, it seems we died, guys. I think we died by sick. Yeah, you died to any entity explosion or damage. So be careful next time. Well, that was my video. So hope you like me totally playing doors, totally not tear down. So this is our goodbyes.